What do crypto trading and poker have in common? It might be more than you think. Let's break it down. Crypto trading and poker are both games of skill, strategy, and of course risk, and you cannot rely on luck alone. This is whether you're holding cards or riding that crypto market. First up, risk management. In poker, you fold your cards when the odds are no longer in your favor. And in crypto, you cut your losses before they wipe out your account. It's all about knowing when to hold them and when to walk away. Next up, reading your opponents. In poker, you read your opponents and try and analyze their next steps, whereas in crypto, you analyze the market trends, the market sentiment, and even the news to figure out the price movements. It's all about playing the market just like you play the players. Strategy and patience are key in both poker and crypto trading. A poker player will wait for the perfect opportunity to enter into a pot, and a crypto trader will wait for that perfect trade setup. You can't rush into every opportunity, you need to make wise decisions. Emotional control is everything. In poker, you need to stay calm and even keep your poker face even after a bad beat. In crypto trading, you need to stay calm during the market volatility. Losing control can lead to big losses, whether that's in the market or even on the felt. Crypto trading and poker are both long-term games. In poker, you consistently build up your stack to make sure that you have the best chance of winning. In crypto, you build your portfolio. It's all about being consistent and not about the quick wins. So whether you're sitting at a poker table or trading on the crypto market, remember the key is strategy, discipline, and emotional control. Are you ready to bring these poker skills into crypto trading? If so, like and subscribe, and remember, crypto trading is a game of skill, just like poker.